Hey, it's Shay back again, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about a new campaign that I recently just started, a new Make Money Online campaign already making over $250 a day. And this is just, as I said, a new campaign I just started from scratch. And I recently showed my students exactly how I put this campaign together so, they can go run the same campaign for themselves. And I have to say also, there's something really unique about the way that I make money with these networks, and I'll jump straight into that right now, in fact. So I just want to show you one of the main networks here that I've been pushing some traffic to in the last few days, just so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Now I'm just going to show you the reports, the earnings of what this thing has been able to do so far. I'm not actually going to show you, the behind the scenes, where the traffic is coming from, how I'm handling the traffic or anything like that. That is really kept for my students only. And you may be able to get access to that as well, but just for now, I just want to show you exactly what this thing has been able to do so far. So it's just defaulted to today and yesterday, where it's the 11th of May today, and we're barely even at lunchtime yet. Alright, so not even halfway through the day yet, so keep that in mind. I'm just going to go back to the 8th, which is about when I started this campaign. Just run that report, and I just want to extend or expand out these two here. Alright, so these are offers within the network here, and as you can see, I sent around 300 clicks-ish. If we, I guess, even them out, around 300 clicks each. And this one was able to make $358.94 so far. Alright, $295.04 in this offer. Alright, and basically, if I haven't said, obviously, what I'm actually doing here is rotating these offers from the same traffic source. Alright, so these offers match up. As you can see, today, the 11th, also the exact same dates on different offers here. So this one here, 276 clicks, and that one made, again, $295.04 right there. And if you take a look here, you're probably wondering, well, hang on a second, how are the clicks count, matching the sales count here? Alright, so just to be clear, I'm getting paid for clicks. Alright, I'm not generating leads or, any other kind of conversion or any sales or paper calls or anything else that, is possible to create a conversion. I'm not doing any of that. All I'm doing is generating the initial click, and I am getting paid for it. And I have to say also, this network is actually quite low, really. If I have a look at the top day, just a couple days ago for this offer, $1.90 per click. Okay, it's average sort of. I have to say, it might impress someone such as yourself. You may have never heard of getting paid for clicks before. This one here got up to $2.03 so far. As you can see, that sort of actually matches on the 9th. So I'd say the advertisers on that day were definitely, paying a little more. So it can definitely go up and down. And again, I have 5 or 6 other networks that I run as well, and they get up to $4, $6, and even $8, $9, $10 plus per click. So this network is actually on the low a little bit compared to them, but it's actually converting really well with the traffic, specifically these two offers here. And I just want to expand out this one just to show you the difference here. As you can see, around the same amount of clicks were pushed to this one as well, this offer, but it really didn't do as well. As you can see, $43.96 only compared to, these ones, around $300 and over $350 on that one. So there's really a big difference between them, and this is all part of what I teach to my students, to make sure they're choosing the right offers and getting paid the best they possibly can for the traffic that they are generating. And you know what? I am willing to actually show you this exactly what I'm doing to run these campaigns and getting paid for clicks for a really short amount of time. As I said at the start, I already work with many students and I show them exactly how I run campaigns like this, and I work really closely with them and I enjoy doing that. And for a short amount of time, I'm going to open this up to someone such as yourself. You are most likely looking for ways to make money online. You're trying to generate a consistent income online, and I can seriously help you do that, as I have already done with all of my students already. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing and more, but I'm only willing again to show you if you are truly serious. So if that's you, if you believe, you really want to know what in the world I'm doing here, then all you have to do right now is click the link at the top of the description. Okay, so take action, do it now. Click the link. It's just going to be a really short bit.ly link that I just put there, just so you can jump over to my site. And I'll just do this now as well, just to show you exactly what to do next. So as soon as you're on my site right here, just enter your best email address here. Okay, and once you have done that, just click the Get Instant Access button underneath that. So it's just really simple, super simple steps. And there's just one more final thing to do, which is really important, so to make sure that you get full access straight away, and that is to go check your email. The email address that you just typed in and entered on my site here, go check that inbox. Alright, I'm going to send you a welcome email that is going to contain all the information that you need to get started right now. So again, I don't know how long I'm going to keep this open for. I enjoy working closely with my students and I want to keep it that way as long as I can. So go take action on this right now. Do those few things. Check your email as soon as you've entered in your email address on my site. Look for my welcome email, and I look forward to working with you really soon.